Like the Beach Boys.
What a great idea. Why don't we read together? Shall we? The greatest lie on earth proved that our world is not a spinning wheel. Let's just see what the first page says. The most universally accepted belief today is being agreed today that the earth is a globe spinning at the pace of approximately 1,000 miles per hour in the equator, while at the same time orbiting the sun at approximately 66,600 miles per hour. While the earth is orbiting and spinning, the sun in turn is supposed to be hurtling through the Milky Way galaxy at approximately 500,000 miles per hour, so half a million miles per hour. What most people are not told is that all of this spinning, orbiting, and speeding through space has never been proven. Indeed, those hypotheses, movements, and speeds are completely made up. In fact, every scientific experiment that has ever been performed to determine the motion of the Earth has proven that the Earth is completely stationary. Yet, scientific textbooks ignore the scientific proof that contradicts the myth of an orbiting and spinning Earth.
Behind that cameraman talking so much.
Want to know what's really messed up?
Anyway.
They teach that the inside of the Earth is just an inner core, an outer core, mantle, and a crust, right? We all learn this. Children are learning this. Everybody is learning this. We have videos for children for it. It's in textbooks. It's everywhere that we know what's on the inside of the Earth is a fact. But did you know that the farthest we've ever done in the Earth is 8 miles? Humans have drilled over 12 kilometers, which is equivalent to approximately 7.5 miles. So the farthest we've ever dug into Earth is 8 miles. Almost 8 miles. Have we ever had any actual evidence of what they're teaching in schools and teaching in textbooks and indoctrinating children on about the fact of the Earth? Do we have any actual scientific proof or evidence on this? Unless something awful happens to our planet, we will never have a direct observation of Earth's core. Just another thing that we've never been able to observe, prove, test, or detect. But they have absolutely no problem stating that we can find Earth's core at 1,802 miles below Earth's surface, even though we've only dug less than 8 miles down. And they have no problem saying what it's like in the core when we are nowhere near it and have never been able to detect what it is. But they are certain and they're very sure on what is down there. Okay, 1,802 miles compared to 8 miles, you guys. How would they have any idea with that huge margin missing? How would they have any clue what's down there? Just in case you guys don't know what indoctrination is, it's the process of teaching a person or group to accept a set of beliefs uncritically. So it's accepting beliefs without any proof. Here's another example of just that on the globe. Just to reiterate, the furthest we've drilled into the Earth is around 12 kilometers, which is equivalent to almost 8 miles, while the distance to the center is over 500 times farther than what we've actually done. Yet they are telling people what is down there when we are nowhere near. And then it starts talking about how flat Earth is propaganda and how we know we don't live on a disc, even though nobody believes that we live on a disc. Just to reiterate, what else can't be observed, detected, or proven on the globe is gravity. It's a theory, not a fact. Absolutely no proof of it, absolutely no evidence. Can't test it, can't detect it. And the motion of the Earth, because you and everything else, including Earth's oceans, atmosphere, are spinning along with the Earth at the same constant speed. So gravity can't be detected, the Earth's motion can't be detected, and the inside of the Earth cannot be detected. All crucial things of the globe. By the way, the definition of science is to study through observation and experiment. Okay guys, I'm going to address a question that I get constantly. If Earth is flat, why are all the other planets round? Why are all the other planets spheres? Here's the answer. The other planets are not planets. They are luminaries. They are lights. Here is Saturn. Here's what Saturn really looks like. That's a true image. And here is what NASA shows you. Please look at the difference between real and a cartoon that you believe. Take that in for a second. Another example, here's Mars. Here is real Mars. And here is the cartoon Mars. Okay? It's a light. It's a luminary. A luminary. Okay? Not a surface planet. Not a surface planet. Venus, and I would like to point something out about this. You can see when you zoom in very closely the stars in the planets, water ripples. Okay? Water ripples. What does side-by-side comparison of planets next to real images of these planets that are lights. Okay? Why are NASA images not even close to reality? Why? Another side-by-side, pause to read.
Anthony, stage manager Anthony.
They say that Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are gas giants and are not surfaces. They're made of gas. But isn't it interesting, look, that Mars, and Venus look the same as these planets that they say are gas. These are clearly not surfaces either. Before you bring up the moon is the same exact idea. The moon is a light.